Division composed of Associate Justice myself, Associate Justice Ronald B. Moreno, and Associate Justice Fritz Brian Anthony M. De Los Santos, issued today, July 6, 2026, warrants of arrest and hold departure order in criminal case E-SB-26-CRM-0018 for plunder against Senator Rodante Dizon Marcoleta, Michael Tan Defensor, Joseph Varias Espiritu, and Aristotel Baluyot Viray. The issuance of the warrant of arrest signifies only that after evaluating the records, the court found probable cause to believe that the accused committed the offense charged. Probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest exists when the facts and circumstances would lead a reasonably discreet and prudent person to believe that an offense has been committed by the person sought to be arrested. Let me stress, yung warrant of arrest does not constitute a determination of guilt. Hindi pa guilty yan. All the accused continue to enjoy the constitutional presumption of innocence until their guilt is proven beyond reasonable doubt. Again, the court's proceedings are governed solely by the Constitution, the applicable laws, and the evidence properly presented before it.
Senator Marcoleta sa loob. Isinalang ba siya sa
Okay, the Philippine National Police Criminal Investigation Section Group implemented the warrant for arrest issued against Senator Marcoleta and 3 others. This morning, the CIDG went there and received the warrant of arrest at about 8:45 in the morning, and the arrest warrant was implemented. So right now, the usual investigation process, the booking process ay ginagawa dito sa CID.
Sir, after this, saan dadalhin po si Senator Marcoleta?
Okay, of course we will return the warrant of arrest to the issuing court, that is the Sandigan Bayan. As soon as matapos yan, i-return natin.
So, sir, hindi pa alam kung wala pa commitment order na ilabas.
It's up to the court to decide where to submit the arrest.
Chief, kumusta yung yung tatlo pang akusado na kasama niya sa warrant?
Yes, our teams are already on the way to implement, to do a known address of those personalities. Mike Defensor, Mr. Biray, and Mr. Espiritu. They have addresses here in Metro Manila as well as in the provinces. May mga teams naman tayo doon to look after their plan.
Wala po na din pa, walang nagbigay ng surrender filler dun sa tatlo pa, o communication.
Mas maganda kung may surrender, they have to surrender. Surrender sila sa nearest police station and or dito sa Kamkrami mismo sa CIDG.
Kumusta yung may si Marcoleta?
Sir, kamusta po si Senator Marcoleta ngayon sa loob?
When he arrived at CIDG?
Ano muna?
Kamusta po si Senator Marcoleta sa loob, sir?
Okay,
Ano po siya initinda?
medical check-up siya ngayon. So, okay naman. We'll see the result.
Yung blood pressure niya, sir?
Kasi palukuyang minamag siya.
Chief, to clarify po, surrender po ba? Kasi yung sabi ko ng lawyer niya, nag-surrender na siya since nandun na siya sa Sandigan
The
Bayan.
warrant of arrest has been effected.
So, ito may
So,
He is arrested.
Okay.
arrest.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Chief.
Thank you, Chief.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.